With great pride and profound enthusiasm, we stand before you today to unveil the annual report for the academic session 2024-25.
It captures the milestones we have achieved, the challenges we have overcome, and the memories we have created together.
This report is not merely a recounting of events. It's a celebration of purpose, progress, and perseverance that defines St. Francis High School.
It highlights the relentless dedication of our students, the visionary guidance of our faculty, and the invaluable support of our parents and stakeholders.
With the blessings and kind consent of our principal, Brother Sanil Tarayil, our administrator, Brother Balaswamy, and our academic coordinators, we now present to you the annual report of St. Francis High School.
The school logo represents the very identity, mission, and vision of the school. It reflects the foundational values of the school as proclaimed to the congregation of the Franciscan Missionary Brothers.
Dare to dream, learn to excel is more than just a motto. It's a call to rise, a story to tell. Dreams are the seeds of possibilities. The school motto is a blueprint for a life of purpose and achievement.
The students of St. Francis institutions worldwide proudly call themselves Franciscans, a name inspired by St. Francis of Assisi, the patron of the Franciscan Missionary Brothers. Franciscans we are, Franciscans we shall remain.
The 25th batch of 109 students passed out in flying colors in the SSLC board examination in the year 23-24. The school recognized and celebrated the academic excellence of the school toppers on the occasion of the Franciscan Laurels Day.
The academic year began with orientation programs for the parents across all sections. The orientation was rooted in our core belief. Education is a shared responsibility where every parent is a teacher and every teacher is a parent. One of the highlights of the academic session was the guidebook given to the parents at the very start of this academic year. The guidebook, titled The Hope, contains everything required for the parents and students to know about their academic session.
The formative assessment 1, 2, 3 and summative assessment 1 were carried out strictly as per the schedule. Parents attended the open days without fail. Congratulations to the parent community.
A thoughtfully organized prayer service set the tone for the year ahead. Through meaningful prayers, hymns, and reflection, the prayer service emphasized the values the school stands for.
Recognizing the power of public speaking, the school proudly introduced public speaking as the central theme for this academic year. The inauguration of this initiative was graced by the presence of Brother Xavier Alexander, Provincial and Chairman of St. Francis Group of Institutions.
The public speaking report card was a key highlight of the theme of the academic session. Student speaking skills were assessed by parents and teachers and students.
One of the significant milestones of this academic year was the launch of our bi-monthly online newsletter, The Voice of Peace. It's a platform to celebrate the stories, events and activities that define the spirit of our school community.
Ignited Minds, Unleashing the Power Within is one of the most significant events held in the school. Deep within each child lies a wellspring of untapped power. This annual event, known as Literary and Cultural Fest, spans 4 days and features a series of 45 competitions altogether. Guided by the motto, no winning, no losing, but only learning. This yearly event was a grand success.
The school organized a science maths exhibition titled The Indomitable Spirit. The event was inaugurated by the renowned scientist Mrs. Tina Thomas from ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, followed by an interactive session with the students of both the schools. The students displayed various projects, models, and interactive demonstration that bridge complex scientific and mathematical concepts with practical applications. Kudos to the students of St. Francis School CISCE who showcased their experience in NASA during the event.
The award ceremony for the winners of the Ignited Minds was held in the school under the prestigious title Franciscan Laurels Day. This event served as a grand celebration of the talent, creativity, and hard work demonstrated by students in various competitions throughout the year.
An inter-school elocution competition titled The Oratio was organized by the school as part of the Year of Public Speaking initiative. The competition focused on honing public speaking skills and witnessed enthusiastic participation from 22 schools across Bangalore. We are incredibly proud to announce that our students have authored 78 remarkable books in their own handwriting. These books are more than just pages filled with words. They are reflections of our imagination, dedication, and passion for storytelling.
Among these, a few notable themes of the books we have authored are on self-responsibility, personal growth, academic excellence, commitment to family values, environmental awareness, imaginative storytelling, and the list goes on and on. The investiture ceremony held in the school was a significant event that highlighted the leadership within each student. This event was not only about appointing the students' council members, but also about recognizing that every learner is a leader.
Maximum to Nature, being the theme for the Environment Day celebration, was marked by a series of green talks, programs, and campings to respect God's creation.
The Independence Day celebration was a grand and collaborative effort uniting the schools with St. Francis PE College and Degree College within the campus. This synergy created a memorable event showcasing the shared spirit of patriotism and pride.
Teachers' Day was celebrated by St. Francis institutions with great enthusiasm and reverence. On this occasion, 3 of our teachers were awarded for their outstanding dedication and completing 25 and 10 years of service.
The school felicitated Brother Titus Ando, principal of St. Francis PU College, on his achievement of earning a PhD degree from Christ University this year. Congratulations to Brother Titus.
The Karnataka Rajyotsava celebration was a grand event jointly organized by both the schools on the campus, commemorating the formation of the state of Karnataka.
The Founders' Day of the Congregation of the Franciscan Missionary Brothers in honor of Brother Paulus Morris was commemorated on November 19th.
Children's Day was planned beautifully, filled with excitement and anticipation. The entire school gathered in the ground. ready for the celebrations. We were about to kick off the event, but the skies decided to join in and, to our surprise, opened up with lots of rain.
The class picnic to Vanvala was an exhilarating and fun-filled day organized for the students of class 5 to 9. Vanvala, known for its thrilling rides and beautiful atmosphere, was a perfect venue for this adventure.
The school has proactively organized a variety of seminars, workshops, and events aimed at fostering the growth and development of both staff and students across diverse disciplines and areas of interest. While numerous activities and inter-school competitions were conducted throughout the year, time constraints allow us to highlight only a few.
The school organized an awareness program in collaboration with Bangalore City Traffic Police Department, focusing on traffic rules and dangers of drug abuse.
The pep talk culture in the school has become a fun and empowering tradition. Several pep talk sessions were conducted this year under the event My Voice Matters for all students in the primary section.
The school organized the junior orator competition in the primary section. The event was made significant by the presence of the parents who attended to cheer on their children. The school organized a comprehensive awareness program on health and hygiene in collaboration with the health department of St. John's Medical College.
The teachers organized a series of motivation sessions for both the high school and primary section to inspire the students and instill a strong sense of responsibility.
The school observed a special day called Smile Day, aimed at reminding the students importance of smile in today's fast-paced world.
The teachers actively participated in workshops on mathematics and storytelling organized by St. Francis School CISCE and took part in an experiential workshop for educators conducted by Mrs. Choita Bhatt, the former academic coordinator of St. Francis School Mysore, and Mrs. Nishtha Bhatt, her daughter.
The motivational movie titled Tanuja, screened at St. Francis Theatre for the students, left a lasting impact on everyone who watched it. A comprehensive career guidance program organized for the high school students by Brother Titus Anto was another opportunity for the students to boost their future aspiration.
The primary section organized a Franciscan family get-together. It was a parent-teacher-student gathering. This was to create a rapport between parent, teacher, student for the academic well-being of students.
Every student is both a learner and a leader. To reinforce this philosophy, students participated in the Inter-School Student Symposium on Leadership Training, organized by Christ School, Bangalore.
Students participated in various competitions under the Deepika Children's League, the Inter-School Cultural Fest held in Bangalore, organized by Christ Schools. Our students performed exceptionally well and proudly secured the overall championship in the competitions.
The students enthusiastically participated in the Space Quiz contest organized by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. The event provided an exciting platform for the students to showcase their knowledge of space science.
Students participated in various competitions organized by different schools in district, state and national levels and secured numerous prizes, awards and certificates.
Field trips offer valuable learning experiences beyond the traditional classroom setting, and the school refers to these as extended learning activities. These trips provide students with opportunities to connect their academic knowledge to the real world in a more interactive and practical way.
The students were taken to Hindustan Aerospace Museum, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Parsec Science Museum and Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium and Walk the Talk campus experiences.
We conclude this report with the line from our school anthem. It is in giving that we receive. Guided by this truth, our students, with the support of their parents, became benefactors for the poor and underprivileged. Under the banner of Mission SFHS, students distributed essential items worth 2,33,000 to deserving individuals. A testament to the Franciscan values instilled in our community, inspired by the mission of our founder, Brother Paulus Morris, who said, "Look after the poor and God will look after you." We continue to prioritize service and compassion.
We are all born to help each other, no matter how difficult it is. Life is good when you are happy, but much better when others are happy because of you.